long does it take to go from no clients to clients? And how much money can I make? Okay, so this is another question where it's just completely up to you. Like, how long does it take to go from no client to clients? You could do it today. You could go from no experience to getting your first client. It's really that simple. So that's a question you have to ask yourself. Like, do I actually want to close clients? If yes, are you doing the outreach? Are you getting the proof of concept? Are you doing all the things you need to do to get a client? If so, you get a client by the end of today or tomorrow. It's really that simple. As far as, what was the other question? How much money can I make? That's like asking, that's a stupid question. I'll just be upfront. That's a stupid question. How much money can you make is completely dependent on you. How much value are you providing other people? How much are you charging other people? Well, that answers your question. Stop. You need to raise your mind from this like surface level stuff. How much money can I make? Oh, as much as you want to make. There's people like Andrew, as an example, driving a Bugatti. There's other people that are checking into their work right now, making $7.25 an hour. Well, it's completely up to you. How much value are you providing, and how much money and how much effort are you putting out into the world to get that money back? It's really that simple.